Hi, I'm George Kutz, a private in the 44th Georgia Company C out of Watkinsville, Georgia. I'm about to show you what my life possessions are as a member of the 44th Georgia fighting in the Civil War. Most important possession happens to be my Springfield rifle, 1861 .58 caliber Springfield. Happened to be given this by the Georgia unit in order for me to protect myself. All my life possessions sit on my body today. I have my bedroll. There's 3 parts to my bedroll as I get to carry it today. I have the rubber part where my gum blanket would actually also doubles as a raincoat for me, as it has a slit in that. Also, the Army issued me a blanket, a wool blanket, in order for warmth if I would need that in cooler climate and cooler weather activities. And my wife and family happened to make me a blanket of my own to carry with me as I bivouac myself and set myself up throughout our engagement and campaign activities. Other than my blanket, besides the issue of the leather goods, including my Georgia buckle issued from the state of Georgia, my cartridge box and my cap box, my bayonet, I carry everything else that is important to me in my life within my haversack here. That includes my coffee cup for those rare mornings where I might get a brew of coffee along the way. And inside my haversack, today things are pretty tight. We don't have much in the way of goods, so I've got myself my simple fork and spoon in which I use to eat, along with my plate, in which I use my plate in order to take my heated food. With all of this, I may get a chance to actually fry something. That's my frying pan strapped to my canteen in order to give myself a fresh, warm meal, fill in my canteen from a local stream if I can find some local water for me to keep. That's my life possessions. George Kutz, 44th Georgia. Thanks for talking today.